Look in the mirror. Be honest. Do you see the body of a man or the shell of a boy? If the girl you love was in danger, surrounded by two guys ready to hurt her, could you protect her? Could you fight? Or would you stand there powerless, wishing you were stronger? If your answer is yes, good for you. But the truth? Most men today can't. And if you click this video, chances are you know you need to work on your body. It's not shameful to be weak. It's shameful to live your whole life that way. This is the second episode of a series I built after searching day and night, refining the 10 truths that shape what it means to be a real man. Each video is just a few minutes, placed in the exact order you need them. Watch them all, or risk walking the wrong path. Watch all 10, and earn the right to call yourself a real man. Why the body matters for men. The body is more than muscles. It's your armor, your power, and your health. A strong body changes the way you walk, speak, and face the world. It's not just about lifting weights. It's about being ready for life. Because a man who can't protect himself can't truly protect anything. How to build real strength. You don't need a gym membership to build real strength, but if you can go, it's a powerful advantage. Pair that with practical real-world skills. Step 1. Learn beginner-friendly fighting styles like boxing, wrestling, or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Step 2. Master bodyweight training. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats. So your strength is functional anywhere. You can do all of this right in your home or at the park. No fancy equipment, no excuses. Step 3. Train for real scenarios, because street fights are nothing like lifting dumbbells. And remember, strength isn't just about size. You've probably met a guy smaller than you who could still overpower you. But size matters too. A solid, muscular frame gives your opponent a mental fear before the fight even starts. The smartest path? Develop both power and presence. Take 1 to 2 hours a day for your body and health. Eat clean, move often, get outside, train hard. Because a weak, unhealthy man won't just lose fights, he'll lose years of his life. Today's challenge: do a 30-minute heavy workout. Push until your body says enough. No excuses, just sweat. And don't forget to subscribe for part 3.